Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about One Young World Summit 2022 that is in Japan. So today our destination is Japan. So let's have a look on it. The deadline is extended to 31st January 2022. The One Young World Summit 2022 Tokyo, Japan is now accepting applications from Asia, Africa, America, Europe, the Pacific and the Middle East countries. This year the summit will be held in Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital of Japan with over 2000 students from 190 plus countries. You don't need to pay for your expenses. This is a one-week fully funded summit. Any student from any academic background can apply for the One Young World. Enjoy Tokyo vibes with international participants. The One Young World Summit is the largest annual conference which will gather participants from all sectors and from all countries. If you are an undergraduate, school, college, university students, teachers, leaders, everyone with age 18 to 30 years, whatever your cultural interest or Tokyo is likely to have you covered. This is a fully funded, all expenses covered cultural exchange program. In 2020, the program was suspended online due to COVID, but in 2022, the summit will be held in Tokyo, Japan. This is very good opportunity. Get yourself ready for the majestic One Young World Summit and imagine life in Tokyo. Tokyo is one of the most exciting cities in the world. This is not an academic program, so you don't need IELTS or any language test proof. Let's have a look on some details about One Young World Summit 2022 in Tokyo. The host city is Tokyo and the country is Japan. And the organizations are One Young World, and the number of participants are 2000 plus number of participants, and the summit dates are 15 to 19 May 2022, and the eligibility countries are all countries. If you are living any corner of the world, you can apply One Young World Summit program. Even if you are living in 8 continents of the world, that is easily you can apply for this summit program. The new deadline is 31st January 2022. And some famous personalities have said that the United Kingdom Prime Minister said that One Young World has helped transform the lives of thousands of young people worldwide. And Mayor of London Sadiq Khan said that today's young people are leaders of tomorrow. It's just like the world's biggest conference like the Global Youth Summit. And the financial coverage. The One Young World Summit 2022 is a fully funded international conference. All the expenses will be covered in One Young World Scholarship. Access to One Young World Summit events, hotel accommodation, meals, catering, breakfast, lunch and dinner, inside transportation, round airfare ticket from country to Tokyo, and a conference material. Note that, and one thing you must have note that you just need to pay for your visa fee. Other than visa fee, you have to pay no other expenses. What participant will do? Participant will exchange ideas, broaden their social horizon, make long networking and collaborate in large team. The summit will take place from 15 to 19 May 2022, where over 2000 young leaders from 190 plus countries will gather across the city well-known venues. Eligibility criteria. Are you over 18? Then you can apply for this. Undergraduate, school, college, university students, teachers and leaders, everyone 18 to 30 years of age can apply for the summit program. Have an evidence commitment to delivering positive change. Demonstrate the capacity for leadership or addressing key local and or global issue in your work. Have a track record of generating impactful and innovative ideas. And the deadline is 31st January 2022. So let's have a look on the official website. So guys, here this is the official website.
One Young World strives to identify the most impactful young leaders from every country in the world. Many One Young World delegates are top-performing professionals, sent to attend the summit by forward-thinking managers who see the need for talent development. Many are paving the way politically in their countries, sent to attend the summit by governments who see the value in empowering young people. Many are changing the world starting at the grassroots, sent to attend the summit by organizations who want to support young people making waves. Scholarships provide the opportunity for exceptional young people to attend on the merit of their proven leadership and ability to create change in their home country.
So guys, here are different organizations and they have different eligibility criteria. So you can apply as many as you can apply. One Young World Scholarship 2022 deadline is 25th January 2022. And same other many organizations are here leading Africa Scholarship, leading the Pacific Scholarship, leading Asia Scholarship, leading Europe Scholarship, leading the American Scholarship, and many others. So I'm going to apply to leading Asia Scholarship. So, leading Asia scholarship. Are you a young leader from Asia? You could attend the One Young World Summit 2022 in Tokyo from 16 to 19 May through our flagship scholarship. So, if you are belonging from Asia, you can apply to Leading Asia Scholarship Program. So this is all the information written here. Check your eligibility criteria. You are eligible for sponsorship if you are between 18 and 30 and have evidence commitment to delivering positive change, demonstrate capacity for leadership, or addressing key local and global issues in your work, have a track record of generating impactful and innovative ideas, or a national passport holding citizen of one of the countries listed below. These all are country here written. I'm from Pakistan. I can apply for this selection process. You can check it from here. So deadline is 31st January 2022. So apply here. So apply now. So this is the Leading Asia Scholarship 2022 form. You put your personal information here, your first name, your last name, your country, resident, your email address, your phone number, your address, your city, your town, your state and province, your zip code, your country, your gender, your date of birth, your nationality, and these are some application questions. So you have to write the answer of these questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 questions you have to write answer of all the questions. How do you hear about the scholarship? So you can select from here. How do you hear about scholarship? Either from LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or other social media. How would you like to be contacted by one young what by email, by telephone? So it's upon you. Then after that you have to simply click on it. I have read and understood one young word privacy policy and simply register. Click on register it. So guys, this is the whole process how you can access the One Young World Summit 2022 that will be held in Tokyo. So guys, if you are eligible for this program, then don't waste your time. Apply for this prestigious 1 week summit program in Japan. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Inshallah, I will meet you in my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.